Greenovators, presenting SMK Aminuddin Kuala Lumpur for 2025 DIY Made Simple Invention Competition. Our group consists of 4 people, which is me, Fiona,
Me, Ashika.
And me is Taiba.
and I'm Khadija. Let's show you our invention, which is rainwater harvesting. Every time it rains, so much water goes waste. It floods out to the ground and disappears down the drain.
And when it's hot and dry, we don't have enough water to plant our plants. So the plant will become like this.
Water wastage is a problem we see all the time.
But what if we could collect the rainwater and use it? So, here's our solution. It's a simple rainwater harvesting consisting in our water filtration.
When it rains, water collected from a room by using a gutter. Then it flows through a pipe into a large storage or barrel.
After that, it will go through the DIY water filtration to remove the dirt and the leaves until it's clean enough to water the plants.
And to add to that, even the school janitor can use the water to clean our school area if they wanted to.
Here are 4 benefits of harvesting rainwater. First, it lowers water bills by providing an alternative water sources. Second, it ensures water availability during dry periods for farming and daily use. Thirdly, it promotes self-sufficiency and environmentally responsible water management. And lastly, it reduces surface runoff and the risk of urban flooding.
So, here's our sketch.
These are the materials that are needed for our project.
The total cost for our invention is 149 ringgit.
That is our invention for this competition.
Let's save water one drop at a time.